birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Maria. Happy birthday to you. Yeah!
Happy birthday, Maria. What number is that?
3.
3. Exactly. It's a rainbow tree. Wow.
That is cute.
Happy birthday. Okay, so Machiko, Keo, and Akuma, we have a special port from Portugal that's very hard to get. Would you like to have some port? Or we also have good scotch. We have red wine, you know what port is? You have to know what port is.
What kind of cake is it?
What's
Oh,
your
yeah.
I have
favorite?
lots of wine now, so.
This is only a little bit you would have.
Yeah, try the.
Okay, Keo, a little bit of port.
Oh, yeah.
You want to have a present first? You want to have a present first? Okay. We'll move the cake and we'll have one present first. How about that? While we get all the drinks going.
Hey, Maria. Hey.
3 years old, my goodness.
Wow. Chocolate.
What kind of cake is it?
I don't know. We'll find out.
What is your favorite cake, my Leah? What is your favorite cake?
What kind of cake is your favorite? Chocolate?
Is that your favorite cake?
Yeah, this one.
Wow, you blew up that candle. You might have done a good job.
Oh.
You must have my favorite